The Galaxy Unpacked event will be hosted by Samsung on July 26th. Exciting Galaxy items are anticipated to be announced during the event, including foldable smartphones, new Galaxy watches, and tablets. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will undoubtedly be one of the most anticipated releases at this year's Galaxy Unpacked event. In spite of the fact that last year's Galaxy Z Flip 4 was undoubtedly entertaining to use thanks to its clamshell design, large cover display, which shows message previews, basic control toggles, and a viewfinder for the main cameras, we say as much because leaks and rumors point towards some notable upgrades in both design and performance. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will probably use the same concept, at least, that is what the teaser and renders have hinted at. However, there is a significant difference since it has a considerably larger display. For the Galaxy Z Flip 5 head of the Galaxy Unpacked event, what other modifications have been made? Glance at the Galaxy Z Flip 5's differences from the Galaxy Z Flip 4 from the previous year. Expanded cover display. The primary difference between the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is reportedly a 3.4-inch cover screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a 1.9-inch cover display and a 6.7-inch main panel. The primary display, however, is anticipated to stay at 6.7 inches. The Galaxy Z Flip 4's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU is likely to be replaced with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in the upcoming flip phone. In terms of the software, Samsung's One UI skin may be added on Android 13 to make it run. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is said to have a 3700 mAh battery, which implies there may not be any improvement in battery life over the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which also has a 3700 mAh battery and supports 25-watt cable charging. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to have two 12-megapixel cameras, so it is possible that it won't get any updates this year. However, tipster Yaji's Brar claims that it may receive new image sensors, which might lead to improved photography. A 12-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor are both included on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.